This video will briefly go over the geology reports that can be generated from FUDSChem. Once geology data is approved by the USACE geologist, it can be accessed under Reports, Geology Reports. Certain users may also have access to review versions of these reports, which can be used to review the data prior to approval. In cases where two versions of the report are available, we will only look at the approved version. For the sake of time, we have preloaded the reports. We'll start at the top of the list with environmental measurements. Note that there is also a chart version available. When the report opens, fill out the drop-downs, then click View Report. This report displays environmental measurement data such as pH, temperature, specific conductivity, and dissolved oxygen. It can display parameters horizontally or vertically. Note that all of our reports can be saved in a variety of formats by clicking the floppy disk icon. Next, let's look at groundwater elevations. Note that there is also a chart version available. This report shows groundwater data, including the depth to fluid, sounding, and groundwater elevation. Next is Lithologic description. This report displays lithology data in a way that mimics the boring log. Each row represents one lithologic layer and includes the beginning and end depths, lithologic and ASTM codes, and visual description. Locations are separated by a thick line. Next, let's look at the MAROS export. This report formats data for export to MAROS, the Monitoring and Remediation Optimization System. Next is well completion information. This report contains data about well installation, including well owner, well type, and development procedure. The well completion information update reports track updates made to the well information. We could use these to review updates or to see a timeline of changes that have been made. Next, let's look at well construction intervals. This report contains information about each well interval, such as the beginning and end depths and the materials they are made from. Each row represents one well interval. The final report we will look at is well maintenance information. This report keeps a record of maintenance activities performed at each well. This includes information about the type of maintenance performed and any resulting changes in elevation. Note that there is also a well maintenance over time report, which shows the original well completion information and any corresponding updates from well maintenance files. This covers the geology reports currently available in FUDSChem. Suggestions for added functionality or development of new reports to meet district needs can be directed to your Synectics point of contact. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.